here in America, how we constantly live in uncertainty and fear every day, when here is a country that is literally going through fear and uncertainty every day. But seeing people still have such a reverence and respect for their God, I had to keep asking myself, do I have that same reverence? I think getting to see God's blessing in a physical form, that makes it tangible for all people. The beauty of God's physical blessing shows that it is for everyone. That's the beauty of this land, that yes, although it is separated geographically, it's still a physical invitation to come behold what He has done. It definitely planted in me a new reverence for just Him and what He's capable of, what He has been, and what He is still capable of, and what He's doing. I think it's a perfect like limestone of just faith in general. It's a perfect limestone of where we've come from, and the fact that it's still there, the fact that the blessing is still standing, is either further confirmation that it is for all. And it just reawakened just this spark of faith for me, just a spark of true, pure, simple faith. And that's the best way I can describe it.